Okay, see that right there? That's called Rio Hotel. That's going to be our focus. We'll give you a little context of where we are for Rio Hotel as well. So so stay tuned. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So there's Rio. Let's give you a little context of where we are. So this street, I can't really see, but there's a lighthouse is over that way. Fisherman's Wharf is over that way. This is an area called ZAPE, and we're going to be walking around Rio, and we'll try to get some context for you as we walk around it, and also kind of show you what's around. There's some restaurants for sure, for one. So now maybe you get a little bit better of an angle of Rio right there. So that's the Rio Hotel and Casino. Got a bank right there. Then this right here is this little pedestrian friendly place with restaurants and things like that. So I did do a couple of videos. All the previous ones kind of had me walking around here and capturing the different streets. You got some pedestrian stuff around here. And then we're kind of in this ZAPE area. And the ZAPE is has a bunch of like older hotels basically. So you got the main strip, the Cotai strip, and then you also have this area right here. And this area is like hotels like Rio. Let's see what else is around here. And then you also have residential like that. Pharmacies that are everywhere. Money exchanges. So we saw a couple money exchanges already. And here's Rio. Rio Hotel. So you can kind of see the basic of it. Circle K is right in the Rio as well. There's a bakery over there. We're gonna walk around the whole building so you can get a context of the whole thing. And so yeah, across from Rio is more of these little restaurants, things like that. I think I might just tie in this Malcany's restaurant over here as well, just so you can kind of get a little context. And it's kind of a cool little thing anyways. So that'll be part of our Rio one. And then I'll walk back again in a minute. So yeah, this one right here. We got some more restaurants like this. Looks kind of cool as well. This one is called Typical Portuguese Macauese Cuisine. So you can see stuff that's like bacalhau and different stuff. And then you can have like a little row of restaurants. I think they're a little bit overpriced. And it's not really as touristy as you think, and there's a bunch of residential places, but it's interesting anyways. Landmark Casino, that red and yellow. Lisboa Casino way down that way. Over that, it's called ZAPE. You have to cross this big giant street, and we're going to be walking further down towards Rio. So now we're walking directly towards Rio, and you can see all the rooms. I don't know how many stories that is. Looks like it's maybe 20, maybe. So directly across from Rio is what I'm walking in right now. Yeah, Rio looks kind of cool, doesn't it? There's a lot of different casinos in here, and Rio is one of them. But there's many. It's Rio Casino. There's also Rio Spa, and there's also Rio Club. Like Rio Club is 3rd floor, Rio Spa is 5th floor, Rio Casino is 1st floor, I guess. I don't know. I better get across. There's a green light. Yeah, that's pretty good view right there, right? So yeah, there's the Rio Casino right there. Tape it like that, and then I got my thumbnail right there, don't I? Rio Casino. Okay, so let's just kind of show you. So this one, you can take this, if you're in a car, you can take this overpass and go over to ZAPE, or if you're a pedestrian, you walk underground and you pass this really busy street up there. And then, but now we're just gonna walk around the Rio Casino. Gold shops. Sugar dessert, it says. Açúcar. This has a little bit of Portuguese themed stuff. Huh. I don't know what it is. Looks cool. Looks like maybe it's going to be a new place that they're developing right now. Okay. This one's some big monument I see. I don't really know what that one is. I've always been kind of confused by what is that exactly, and they're around Hua de Kunming. But Zhuhai Kunming is named after a city in China. I did another video just a little while ago called Zhuhai Shaman. So let's kind of go across here a little bit. So we're on the backside of Rio, and that's all part of Rio. And then there's another casino over here called Dragon something. Royal Dragon Casino. Rio slots right there. Royal Dragon Casino, eh? Okay. Kind of interesting anyways. So there's a Royal Dragon Casino. We're on Zhuhai Kunming. And then our Rio, let's just kind of go back a little bit. There's a little park right here with a nice fountain. Royal Dragon Casino. So this is our Rio Casino right here. So all those are the hotels, I guess, looking on the backside. It's kind of cool. Royal Dragon Casino, another casino. Have to explore that another time. I'm not sure what that is, but okay. So we're still behind Rio here. So I think what we're gonna do is go back around to the front. Some people are curious about the casinos. I think this one, I saw it as low as like $21, 22 American dollars. It's all because of COVID. I think it'll go up quite a bit later. But all of them in this area are quite very reasonably priced. Amazing right now because of COVID. But of course people can't come in except mainland Chinese can, of course. But now they have more COVID there too, so that might change anytime. It's interesting. Okay. See some kind of good food around here. Okay, so now we're on the side of Rio. Here's a bakery. Miyazaki bakery shop. Nice, very nice. Now we're back at Rio again. So yeah, that's that little alley that we came at. And now we're just kind of come up to the front and we'll just film. Circle K is right here. So yeah, that's the Rio Casino, Rio Hotel. So yeah, rooms here, I looked at it, I think is like pretty big rooms, giant rooms it look like. So it look like you get pretty good value for big size rooms for a low price and in a location. If you want to be in this location, it's kind of a second choice. Cotai is the big expensive place, and then this one is more quite reasonable and affordable. Okay, so this is the Rio Casino. As you can see, Rio, and then right there too, Rio as well. And then we got somebody who's getting in a taxi in front of Rio, so we'll end it right there.